Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi SQ5 TDI 314 PS tiptronic. It comes dressed in the stunning Mythos Black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the car has done 49,382 miles. To the side of the car's profile, standing on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5 twin spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze with just a touch of a button. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the vibrant red leather upholstery, with the centre armrest with 2 handy cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin you have the flat bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest, with the electrical seating adjustments and the 4-way lumbar for added support and comfort. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and the gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family, and a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. If you like listening to your playlist, then you'll love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey, the MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth, in the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, or comfort for those long weekend getaways. Parking aid, for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Back to the main menu and intermediate to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to sing along to, telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the dual zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected on the go with the 12-volt and USB charging point, with a hidden compartment to keep those pesky phone wires, finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, with 2 cup holders for those morning coffees. If this is the car for you, call today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.